Is there something more delicious than beautifully cooked eggs? It doesn't matter how they are cooked, whether they are fried, boiled, scrambled, or poached, they are absolutely delicious. However, the most important thing for you is to eat eggs from healthy chickens. How to recognize a healthy chicken? So, how can we say whether a chicken is healthy or not? A chicken which is in good health eat different sorts of foods every day. This includes meat because that's the food they also need. They might want to eat different bugs, mice, and even snakes. All the good nutrients from the food they have eaten are transmitted to their eggs. To gain these nutrients, the chicken needs to be allowed to move free, out on a fresh air. Chickens which are locked in small hatches for their entire life, do not receive the vitamins and minerals they really need, and their eggs are not on the same quality level as the eggs of the free-range chickens. How does a good quality egg look like? Here are some characteristics that may help you distinguish a good egg from a bad. Shell density and hardness. If the egg cracks easily, then it is not a good quality egg. Chickens which have a rich diet and a good overall health produce very strong eggs. If an egg is really healthy, its shell should be very difficult to crack. The color of the yolk. For most people it is quite usual to see eggs with light or bright yellow yolks. However, this is not the perfect yolk color. The ideal color for the chicken yolks is deep orange. Next time you eat eggs, check out the color of its yolk to make sure that you eat really good and healthy eggs. Thickness of the yolk. The quality on the eggs can be determined by the thickness of its yolk. The healthy egg yolks are usually thicker and rounder. Many researchers report that the healthy nutrition in chickens plays a great role in producing healthy eggs. A report in the Oxford Journal observes that the amount of beta-carotene in eggs can be increased if the chickens consume more beta-carotene. The Journal of Agricultural Food Chemistry states that the level of omega-3 fatty acids can be increased by increasing the levels in chickens' diet.